Oxylab to Super Proxy. Right here, there's a discount for you when you go ahead getting proxy from Oxylabs. Now, when you come right here, you can actually see that they said there is a bonus for you. So when you come right here, you can see choose your desired product plan and use the promo code Super Proxy 30 to get a 30% discount right on this platform. Now, most of you might be asking or questioning if this particular proxy works well with your survey or some other things you do online that needs proxy. Now, this particular proxy is actually affordable and you can actually use this for your survey. Now, I'm going to be walking you through how you can get started owning or getting a proxy from this particular platform. But before we proceed, guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what I do right on this platform to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Now, before you go ahead registering an account or going ahead to start the getting your proxy, what you have to do is to come down right here after clicking the first link on the pinned comment section. Copy this promo code because you'll be needing that. Then you come right here to click on start now. But before that, you can as well come down to pricing so you can see that for yourself. Now you can see the icon that shows Oxylabs and plus Super Proxy, meaning the connection is actually Swift. Currently, we are having issues with 9 proxy connecting to Super Proxy. So that is why you can see Oxylabs plus Super Proxy. The connection is actually direct. Now, when you come right here, you can see that there is a bill monthly right here. You can as well go ahead to get this. But let me walk you through the registration process. So we are going to click on start now. But when you come over to this hamburger icon right here, you can see the proxy, the scrapping solutions, data sets, and the likes of others. So let's go directly. Since you have copied this particular super proxy 30, which is the promo code, go ahead to click on start now. Now you'll be allowed to create an account right on this particular platform so you can get started right away. So for you to get started, you need to own an account on this Oxylab. So we are going to verify this and we are going to go ahead to create an account. Now you'll be brought right into this particular interface where you need to proceed in creating your account. Now you can go ahead to put in your name, your surname, email, and password, or you can sign in with an existing email. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to pick an existing Google account that is linked to my account. So you're going to come right here. Let me go ahead to put in a particular email right here. So I'm going to use this particular one and I'm going to click on next, right? And I'm going to insert my password. So I'm done inserting my password. I'm going to click on the next button to proceed. So right now I'm actually logging in. So I'm going to log into this. So I'm going to save this. So I'm going to log into my account. So you can as well go ahead to register an account following the process, or you can as well log in with an existing email address. So once you log in, the next thing you want to do is to proceed in getting this proxy from this particular platform. So now that you have logged in, you can see right here, you can as well come right here and you're going to be seeing the amounts you're going to be getting this. Now let's take a look at the residential proxy. Now these are information, pricing, documentation, public API. Now we are focusing more on the residential proxy, right? Now it says market leading automatically and rotating proxy pool of 100M, right? IPs for full scrapping freedom. So what you're going to do right now, you can see right here, this is starter package. So when you come right here, you can see that this is actually the amount you're getting this. Now, this is the benefit: 5 GB traffic, up to 100 GB available top up, unlimited concurrent section, free geo targeting. Now, you come right here and click this. Also, this is the basic and this is the standard. This is the advanced. So these are the packages that are on this particular proxy. So if you're having issues, you can see right here that the price are not the same, like it differs. Now this is the particular one for this, so you can as well come right here and see that you can get the advance for this. Now okay, what you want to do right now is to get this, but before that you come right here to frequently asked questions, like I always do, to read, to know what this proxy is all about. Now it says which residential proxy targets are blocked for scrapping. What is your refund policy? Now what is your refund policy? Now once you click on this, our self-service products are refundable. Please know that self-service clients may only be eligible for refund if they meet all these requirements. Now these are the requirements. You can go through this and you're going to be getting the requirement. A request for refund is submitted within 3 calendar days of date of first transaction for the service. Now what this means is that once you purchase this, it's actually within the 3 days you have actually gotten this, so that can be considered for a refund. Now you can see this right here, you have not used more than 20% of the traffic. So you go through all this and you understand how it works. Now with this understanding, if you now want to go ahead to do anything on your account, first of all, you know that you must have funds on your account. Now when you come right here, you can see the breakdown of this right here. Now let's go over to my account. The moment you go over to my account, you can see the same things right here. So what we're going to do right now is to go back to proxy right here, and we're going back to residential proxies. Now you come right here, you can see that yourself, this is actually the benefits of this particular platform. Getting started with residential proxy, you can go ahead to play this particular video and watch some things that you ought to know before getting started on this particular platform, right? So they're going to be giving you some tips and also understanding on how to use this proxy, right? So let's go over to the proxy we are getting. So let's say we are getting this residential proxy start from this particular amount. So you're going to come right here and click on this. So the moment you click on this, you'll be brought right here. Now this is actually where we started from. So let's say we're actually getting the advance. You come right here and click on this and you'll be brought right here, right? So this is where you go ahead following the process of getting this proxy. You can see right here, these are the methods. This is actually awesome. You can see that there are options for you to go ahead to get this proxy. We have the paper, we have Google Pay and the likes of it. So once you have actually chosen anyone you want to go for, you agree, I have read and agree to the update, you check this and you click on continue, so you get your proxy. Now the other things you want to get clear of is when you want to connect your proxy. After getting your proxy from Oxylabs, you then go over to your super proxy. Now when you come over to your super proxy, you come right here. So you're going to be editing some vital information right here, which is the server, the port, the username and password. Not necessarily you change the profile name, you can name that anything, but the focus you have to change right here is the server, the port, username and password. You can as well change your protocol. It's always SOX 5. So that is how you can actually connect that. So once you're done, you save this, you come right here and you save this and you start your proxy. Now the moment you start your proxy, it starts reading for you, so you can as well stop this when you're done with your proxy. So that is how you can actually get proxies from Oxylabs and get connected on Super Proxy. So right here, you can go through all this on your own time, so you can understand properly how they work and the benefits you'll be getting while using this. Make sure you use the promo code before you start up with this particular platform, so you can be given a 30% discount while getting your first proxy. So see you on my next video and keep winning.